number 16. Which call center metric uses or measures rather customer satisfaction after a call? Is it A, AHT, letter B, KPI, letter C, CSAT, or letter D, QA? What is your choice? Of course, kapag customer satisfaction yung pinag-uusapan natin, so that would be letter C, no? That is what we call the CSAT mismo. Tanda po natin, teachers, again, pag sinabi po natin CSAT, ito po yung metric, no, na ginagamit po natin to measure how satisfied a customer is with our product, service, or specific interaction, no? Typically po, kinakalculate po natin ito via our post-call survey within 1 business day of the interaction. Okay, yan po yung ating CSAT na tinatawag o yung ating customer satisfaction. What about our letter A? Kapag AHT, yan po yung tinatawag natin na average handle time, no? Pinag-usapan na po natin ito. Kapag KPI, of course, yan po yung ating key performance indicator. And of course, ito po ay general term, no, for all metrics. Hindi po siya yung ating specific measure of satisfaction. Kaya X po yung ating letter B. Kapag QA po, ito po yung tinatawag natin na quality assurance, no? Of course, ito po yung method na ginagamit po natin para ma-evaluate po natin, no, if our agents follow protocols which may influence our CSAT. Okay, that is what we call the quality assurance. Okay, but then we're talking about here, no, the metric na ginagamit po natin to measure the satisfaction of our customers. That is what we call the CSAT mismo.